This is Brian.
And Tyler.
So, a while back, we bought a John Deere garden tractor, and this is some photography from a trip we took to Salem for my friend Steve Johnson and his brother Dale hosting a kind of a garden tractor play day. This was kind of Tyler's first. You never did anything garden tractor?
I've never even been on a garden tractor before we went out there.
Okay. So, but you grew up on property and you had tractor used before in your time?
Yeah, we had a big Kubota. It was nice.
Okay. I myself got into the garden tractor collecting and fun of it at a tractor pull in Salem, Oregon, when I saw them in action for the first time. I've been with full-size tractors, trucks, you name it, and thought, you know what? This could be a ton of fun.
Mm-hmm.
So that kind of got me going with the hobby. So at the end of this, we are going to have the only footage of that garden tractor that we owned pulling.
And then sold right after we got done.
Exactly. We sold that thing this day, and we actually made, I think, what was it, 150 each profit?
Yeah.
So, not a bad day's work in my book.
Mm-hmm.
Currently, I do still have a few garden tractors left. I have a 1970 Minneapolis Moline, which has a blown transmission, sadly.
You gotta get on that.
I've actually researched some transmissions. The cheapest I found was Pennsylvania for $800, and the gentleman advised me that those Jacobson built transmissions are not the strongest, and he said you might be in the same boat here in another couple months.
Yeah.
So that was a little tough to
swallow.
Yeah, I couldn't take that gamble. So I've got a 1985 Cenex garden tractor that I am in current project mode on, and I'm thinking that the Minneapolis Moline, worst case scenario, can be kind of a trailer queen showpiece, while the Cenex will kind of be the functioning toy. And we'll be back at Dale's to pull with that thing
sometime this year.
That is the goal. But one cool thing about there at Dale's, even if you do not have a garden tractor, there, as you see on the photos, there's plenty to choose from, and they're more than happy to share.
What is the red one?
The red one is actually a Farmall Cub. That is one of those tractors that's supposedly full size, but it's small enough both cubic inch wise and size wise that it has been classified as a garden tractor in some competitions and shows.
Crazy.
It is crazy. It's I think anything below 200 cubic inch can still be considered a garden tractor.
Okay.
RPMs, there you go. Wow, he's moving. Third gear.
What gear was that?
Oh, so it's as heavy as it's gonna get then, for the purpose of this video.
Yep. Can't get any harder than that.
Ooh. Alrighty, just got to outdo Stan. Outdo Stan. What was Stan's setting?
All the way.
Oh, okay.
Fifth gear. You don't have to tell him that.
Nope. Oh, there goes the wheels. They're starting to spin. Alrighty. So, almost a full pull.
Sweet. Highest torque.